everybody, it's Neil, and not that I'm a lush or anything, but this is a nice thing to have. I don't know, is it upside down? Can't even tell. Okay, no, cocktail shaker set. So this is good. I've got a new place here, and the other day I'm like going, oh my gosh, I don't have a corkscrew, and then I don't have a can opener, and I don't have a shaker, I don't have all these different things. So what I got this whole bar set here. So we're gonna check this thing out, the cocktail shaker set, and see what all's in there. See if it has all the things I need, or if I still need to go shopping for some more. I might still need to go get something. Actually, I bought myself a corkscrew, so I do have one. Let's see what we got in the box. So let's see. Oh, it comes with nice little recipe cards, kind of cool. Cocktail recipes. Let's see. Let's just look. Oh, you can do it by picture, or then you turn it over, and it's got the. I have a nice tea. Oh yeah, that would be my favorite. Gin, vodka, rum, tequila, triple sec. Man, that's yummy. Okay. We got a little cleaning cloth, I'm guessing is what this thing is here. All right, it's all crinkly, like this here. Oh, it's nice and soft, very nice. And we'll open this up more. We'll just take everything out of the box. At this point, box empty. And we have the wood storage thing. Boy, it's got places to store all sorts of stuff in there. Let's see what else in there. I can't remember how many pieces it said it had. How many pieces? It was 27 pieces. So we're gonna go through these pieces. Oh. Okay, that box is empty now too. So we've got a couple of straws. We got one. Can you see what I'm doing here? Maybe not. Okay. Went back up again. Boy, this doesn't want to stay down. There we go. Okay, so there we have a straight straw, a curvy straw. Let's see, is there anything else? It's like a little strainer thingy. Nope, that one probably goes here. Each one has a place. That's obviously the top of the shaker. Ooh, can't even get it off. There we go. So you can see it does the straining on there. So many things. So this is the shaker cup. Boy, that's a nice solid cup. That'll be good. Be able to mix good drinks in there. We got a nice little shot glass thingy that does the small and the big. Guessing that goes here maybe. Move all these things out. Oh, drop something. Okay, so we have a pourer here. So this one here goes in the bottle so you can do some pouring. Guessing I'll put that one maybe here. We have a bottle, a wine stopper. That's funny because this is nice. Everything's all heavy metal except for this. This is plastic. I guess it won't rust that way. But this is super light. It's weird. I have some of these things that are actually made out of metal. It's funny. And then here's another pourer there, and another stopper here. Another super light one. I guess there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's got the rubber on it and everything like that. It's going to stop the liquid from coming out. It's just interesting. And then a third pourer there. Let's see, how do we open this? Okay, we got some tongs to pick up the garnish. Maybe that goes in this one. Garnish pick, I guess, or I don't even know what you call that. We have a cleaner for, oh, that's to clean the straws. I'm guessing that goes next to the straws. Okay. Let's see what else. I've got 3 more of these little nubs. I don't know what these are for. Okay, we have our little spoon. So I saw something the other day, and what they say is if like to make the drink, like so when you pour your drink and you have this in the glass, you can pour it along this, and that's how then it won't drip. So if you do that, if you lean it on there and pour it along there, it won't drip. So that's something to keep in mind. Oh, I'm guessing that goes in this weird curly one here, maybe. Yep. Oh, and then here we go. So here's our can opener right there and stuff, and then we have a corkscrew. See, got one. See, it comes with everything. It's kind of nice, and it comes with a little knife too, so you can cut off the tops of some champagne stuff and whatnot. Let's see, I'm gonna guess this is in the wrong place. That one probably goes there. No, maybe this one goes there. Ah. And then another one of these little, I think the little garnish things. We have a muddler, I think is what they call this. Put that there. And then the strainer. And I think then we're gonna be all filled up. There we are, all filled up. And then I don't know if these little 3 things, I didn't count all the things as we were going, but if these things count for the part of the 27 pieces, that's a little weird, but maybe they do. What are they? Are they for the straws? No. They look like they're more tops for these things. Oh, maybe they go on the bottom? No? I don't know what these 3 little nubs are for. If anybody knows, put it in the comments. But this is a nice little set, and it was totally inexpensive and everything. I think I got all the pieces out of here. Let's see. Maybe in counting all the pieces, it counted each of these cards too. I don't know. Something's wet over here. My soda. But there we go. So this is what the set looks like. This would look nice just sitting on anybody's bar, or just even like for a nice home bar. It's definitely not commercial grade stuff. I mean, you wouldn't necessarily want to have the wood thingy there. It'd be hard to put everything back in its place. But this is the cool looking set. I really like it. Thumbs up for this one here. I don't even know who makes it. Let's see. I just bought it from Amazon for myself. I don't even think it says, but there you go. You can look at it. I'll put a link to it. I'll find it. I'll figure out who it does and put a link to it so you guys can pick one up. But I'll put a link in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.